For this recipe, we are using 8 boneless and skinless chicken thighs. You can also make this recipe with chicken breast if that's what you prefer. I would use 4 boneless and skinless chicken breast. Season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 full lime or about 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Toss the chicken in the marinade until evenly coated. Transfer to the fridge and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. Now set a heavy skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken in batches about 7 to 10 minutes per side or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the first side has cooked for about 7 to 10 minutes, flip the chicken over and continue cooking for another 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure that you cook the chicken in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Once the chicken internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, you may remove from the skillet. Let the chicken rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting it up. Repeat the same steps with the rest of the chicken. Once all your chicken has been cooked, cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Now, warm up your tortillas in a frying pan over medium heat. We are using flour tortillas and also corn tortillas. Use whichever tortillas you like. Once your tortilla is nice and hot, set it aside. Then, to put the tacos together, place the chicken inside the tortillas, followed by diced red onion, diced tomatoes, fresh cilantro, and top them off with queso fresco. It looks like you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it. Quick and easy chicken tacos. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Yeah.